Okay, class, take your seats. We're going to go over the homework. Well, I definitely failed this one. Okay, Simon, what did you get for question 1?
I got x equals 3.
Good job, that's correct.
Oh, let's go!
Let's go.
You know what it is, yes, sir.
And what formula did you use?
I used the quadratic formula too.
I'm sorry, what?
I said I used the quadratic formula?
I never taught you that formula, Simon. Why are you using it in my class?
I read ahead in the textbook. I just decided to try it out.
You shouldn't be using anything that I taught in this classroom yet.
Why not? I saw it in the textbook. Isn't school supposed to be a place to learn anyway?
Yes, but only when I say so. Otherwise, you'll end up looking smarter than me, and I can't have that.
Something tells me your ego's been hurt.
Since you want to be so smart, you should take your wits to the principal. I'm not gonna go to the principal.
You just make me so mad, bro. What do you want? Teacher sent me here because I used the quadratic formula, even though she never taught it. Did you get the right answer? Yeah.
So what's the problem? That's what you're supposed to do.
Exactly!